Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: Esp8266, Arduino IDE, and a Blynk Iot account. First, add the Esp8266 board URL to Arduino IDE and install the board package. This lets the IDE compile for your module. Next, open Blynk Iot and create a device template, then generate an auth token and copy the device template ID. Once done, connect your node MCU via USB. Select the correct COM port and board in Arduino IDE so you're ready to upload the sketch. Now prepare the code. Install the official Blynk library and open the Wi-Fi plus Blynk example sketch so you don't reinvent the wheel. Replace the placeholders with your Wi-Fi SSID and password, paste the Blynk token and device template ID, and configure pin mappings that match your virtual pins in the Blynk dashboard. Make sure board settings like flash size and CPU frequency match your module. Once compiled without errors, upload the sketch and watch the serial monitor for connection messages. Finish by building the app interface. In Blynk Iot, add widgets that use the same virtual pins configured in your sketch, then save and run the dashboard. Test each widget and observe the serial monitor for successful authentication and online status messages. If the device does not appear online, double-check Wi-Fi credentials, ensure the Blynk token and template ID are correct, confirm the ESP has stable power, and reboot. If problems persist, recompile with verbose output to pinpoint errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.